Good day, teacher. I'm Javier Mauricio Garzón Lopez, and this is my day routine. I usually wake up around 4 a.m. and I get up at 5 a.m. I brush my teeth, take a shower, comb my hair, clean my shoes, iron the pants and shirt and get dressed. After that, I have breakfast and I listen to music. I never watch Disher after breakfast. I usually leave it in the dishwasher until the afternoon. When I finish breakfast, I drive to work. Work at 7 a.m. at 3 p.m. I start working at 7 a.m. I prepare documents, I have meetings, I have class with young people. I play with teacher. I have 6 hours of class every day, and normally in my free time, I do university takes special English 2 activities. I love my profession, so I enjoy my work. At 1 p.m., I have lunch in the school. After lunch, I go back to work. I finish work at 3 p.m. After work, I go to my house. I usually call my house and talk to my parents. In the supermarket, I almost always buy fruits, vegetables, milk, eggs, cereals, and wines. When I arrive at my house, I change clothes and go out to play basketball with my friends. Then we share a drink and we talk about several topics. When I have dinner, take a shower. I often read some page of a book before sleeping. I go to bed around 11 p.m. On weekends, I don't work. I always get up late around 10 a.m. I usually stay at home or go out with my friends. I like to ride horse, ride a bike, and sometimes I participate in basketball championships. Once a month, I spend the weekends at my parents' house. With them, I go for a walk. We buy lunch and we note different places. Thank you.